Any comments on the forward bend?
Hyperextension of the knees right off.
There we go. Everyone go, go.
Definitely squeeze a little bit. Turn our toes in.
Look, there still seems to be questions about the difference between straight legs and bent knees. And I can assure you that everybody here who's not getting younger is going to want to bend their knees in a way to have contact with their torso and their thighs. It's called functional movement. This doesn't exist. You know, this is breakdown. It's this. We want to support that. Nothing wrong with having your legs straight, but let's at least start from a functional position, so then we move to another area that's unusual, right? There's certainly asanas that don't look like functional movement, but we don't just pop into them, and at the very least our practice should support our functional movement. And I don't know what's happened, if there's maybe something out there again about straight legs, because there didn't used to be, you know, we've gone up and down with the resistance on this, but I see cases in my office sometimes, you know, people have been doing yoga forever and they should know better, and then with their forward bend like this long term, it's not going to get anywhere, especially in this pelvic girdle. Okay? Bend your knees. Lots. More. There you go. And what's nice is, in some asanas, you can just have the body as a reference point. When these areas touch, that's fine, you know? Yeah, bend a little more. There's nothing, it's not like you're the wimp or anything if you bend your knees, okay? All right.
It also looks now like she's got her weight balanced in her feet. Before her weight was all in her heels, like she was going to fall back.
Yeah, and now from here, there's this asymmetry in this kind of back, right there. So now we could even address it. So go ahead and bring your hands here a little bit, both of them.
This side?
Yeah, there you go. Put this hand right on top of here for a sec. So maybe we do something like that to get into that a little bit. We're just, okay? So come on up, please. Thank you.